Right, I've got another superb Land Rover Defender 90 commercial. This is a 2024 on a 24 registration. It's one local lady owner. It's VAT qualifying and it's done only 7,200 miles. Pangea Green, super colour with full styling pack. Also, she's got a very high factory options list. It's got electronic air suspension, electrically operated deployable tow bar. We've got the full digital driver's display speedometer, center console with armrest, gloss black contrast roof. It's got a heated steering wheel, cold climate pack, 360-degree cameras, heated front windscreen and Apple CarPlay, wireless app connect, Bluetooth audio and phone, and lumbar support, among all the other nice features. So parking sensors front and rear. I'm just going to give you a walk round and show you how nice it is. It is immaculate. Couple little stone chips you'll always find on anything that's not new, by the way. We've got the light pod on the roof there, very bright, remote control with that. Lovely wing vents, wide arch in gloss black, coming round to the front, everything gloss black badging, echo wind deflectors, side steps, gloss black vents, gloss black handles. The wheels are 22-inch gloss black. Really nice wheel. Now they've got BBS centre caps. They're not a BBS wheel, by the way. They've got BBS centre caps only, better tell you that. Not fitted by us. Mud flaps, front and rear. Got the blacked out rear lights. Colour coded wheel cover. So your tow bar, you just press the button inside and it's hidden underneath. 360 cameras, of course, as well as the sensors, and the bodywork, everything's super. Let's just show you in the back while I'm here. It hasn't had any real work use, by the way. Underneath the floor there, we've got storage and all the things for the changing the wheel. So all nice in there. And looking down the body, all supers, no dings and scratches, it's lovely. Rear spoiler. Obviously you can get a rear seat conversion done on these if you wanted such a thing. Right, we'll show you on the inside. Just lift that paper mat out, show you it's got the over carpet, the rubber sort of mats that clip on the top. Everything's in super condition there. Got electric lumbar support there on the seat. I'll just stand back, give you a side view. Remainder of Land Rover's 3-year warranty. Servicing on these every 2 years. Lovely colour. Quite a few of these in at the moment. I've actually got 4 in this colour. There we go. Any questions, if you'd like to give us a call on 0750 1730, we'll answer any questions for you. If you're watching this on YouTube, have a look at our website, justnicecars.co.uk, and then there's a full description and photographs on there. Thank you very much for watching. Super little thing this, one local lady owner. Thank you for watching.